Hello and welcome to the Sales Funnels, the best way to sell any type of a product or set of products in a super efficient way. Even if you have already a store, you can use the funnels to do your next campaigns. Any type of campaign that you're doing, you should use the sales funnels because they increase the conversion of your pages, of your campaigns so much. And I'll show you why that is. But yeah, you can use it even if you have a store already, or if you don't have store, you can use the funnels to just excel so good. And what are the sales funnels? Basically, they're focused on specific product or set of products, but to highlight them in such an amazing way. And here is such example of a sales funnel. Because they're so focused, there is no distractions, and it's super easy to purchase the product and upsell them with other products that you may have. So the conversion is so high for the sales funnels, and we'll be discussing all these things: how to create your one product sales funnel, super cool checkouts, and basically in like half an hour or less than an hour, you'll be able to create the most amazing sales funnels for your next campaign. Stay tuned. So yeah, what is the process of a sales funnel? What is the idea of a funnel in general? In this case, a sales funnel is that you have a product page which is highlighting the product in the best possible way. No distractions, information about the product to push the user to buy the product. And then go to the checkout, of course, without add to cart, without this tedious process and ways to lose the customer. Super cool, straight to the point. Checkouts we have a whole video about how to create the most amazing checkout. And then of course the thank you. The checkout itself, you can have different steps like upsells and downsells connected to it, so it can have a few steps more to it. Of course, it depends if you want to have upsells and downsells. So let me just show you what an actual sales funnel is, because I don't want to just talk in theory. I just like to show things and how easy they are. And we're now inside the system, and we're inside the funnel. This is a one-step funnel about selling, in this case, a product, a physical product, a bed. So it is, as you can see, it's very well designed. Of course, you can change it however you want to fit your needs. You can modify the images to select your product. Of course, change the text however you want. But as you can see, there is no distractions. Everything is about this product. There is no navigation that can lead the person outside of the funnel like a normal website, which can basically decrease the conversion rate. Because when you send somebody from a campaign about a specific product, about a specific offer, you want them to stay there to see and learn information about that offer and then purchase it, because that will increase the conversion so many times. So, like in this case, we have a great landing page showcasing the product, showcasing different, information, like pushing the user towards taking the decision of the purchase. Here we have some benefits. Here we have like money back, delivery, quality. You can add whatever you wish sections. Now everything is editable with the builder, so you can just drag and drop and adjust everything however you want, but I will be talking about that later on. And here you have, for example, testimonials about successful customers, and as you can see, everything is just about this product. No distractions whatsoever. All the call to actions go to the product, to the checkout. So again, you can just double click and start modifying everything however you want. If you want to change, for example, the colors, very simply, you can just go to the global colors, change it to, let's say, blue, and you have a new style and looks. Same for the text, you can just modify them with a few clicks, but again, we'll be talking that later on. And you can see here in this button, when you click, you can see the actual steps inside your funnel. In this case, we actually have an A/B testing of our funnel, but let me just select a winner. So to each step of your funnel, you can see it clearly. You have the landing page, which is the product page, this one. Then you have the checkout, and we have created a new pop-up, which is an upsell. We'll be talking that in another video. And then you have the thank you. Everything is about this product alone, or again, if you have multiple products, we have such examples. And then it's super simple. You can see how the traffic is progressing through the steps, and you can easily see how many people visited, how many did a purchase, how many did an upsell, how many landed to the thank you page. And all this have amazing analytics about what people have done, how many orders you have, products that you've sold, upsells, and what is the conversion of your upsells. It's so cool and easy. And yeah, you can do an A/B testing. So if you want to test out a different product page, for example, to see maybe a video, adding a video will help more, or adding maybe the testimonials at the top, to see how that can convert more users. So you can usually do it from here, or you can do it from the funnel steps and just click on A/B test and just duplicate it. That's it. That's how simple it is to actually do a duplication of your page. And you can go to the B version now and change maybe the colors and whatever you wish. Like I said, you have the freedom to modify it however you want. Let's say that you want to add a video. You can just click on add block. Let's go to the video section and maybe add a video section like this. So people can actually, and here you can just link the video source, something in YouTube, for example. You can have it like this. So yeah, you can just add a thumbnail if you wish or not. You can change it, and this button, of course, you can just change to go and say, let's say, buy now again. And by default, all the buttons will go to the next step. So you don't even have to link the button anywhere. By default, it goes to the next step, which is the checkout. And you can access the checkout from the arrows again, or from the funnel, and actually see the checkout itself, where a person can actually submit the payment and modify again the checkout to be as good looking as you want it to be. Here we just make it into 2 steps, so you can fully customize your checkout as well to look however you want, to be as appealing as possible to your users, to add whatever testimonials you want, so you can fully customize the experience for the user. That's why they're converting so amazing and easy. Then you have an upsell, for example. When somebody purchases a product, they can purchase with one click another product. So this is the power of the one-click upsells, and you can create different amount of funnels, upsells and downsells for your funnel. And of course, a thank you page where people can actually be greeted after they making this purchase. Simple and easy. So this is such an example of a funnel, how easy it is to track the whole process, and it is basically the best thing for having any type of campaign, promotion, anything. Black Friday especially is so good with this sales funnel to convert the most of your visitors to actual customers. So let's go back inside the presentation. So this is the process and an actual funnel that you saw inside the system, and how easy it is to do and modify everything. Now, of course, you have different types of sales funnels. I just showed you a single product type of a funnel. Basically, you're highlighting this one product and you just purchase it. This is my favorite because we're completely focused on that product, and that product can be anything: a physical product, a digital product, it can be a type of a service, it can be a membership with access to some kind of a content, videos, tutorials, course, whatever it is. You can do it like that. You can do it as a subscription, a single type of a payment. It is up to you. So these are the single product type of a funnel. We will be looking into the multi-product funnels. Basically, these are funnels that are focusing on a bit more of a product, not just one, but maybe the option of a few products. Again, it's very straightforward process. You can have, for example, different product pages like the previous. So basically a product page for each one, but with a page that is actually showcasing the different products, like a small catalog of different products, and then going directly to a small process of its own. Or just have like add to cart and just going again to the checkout, but having to pick what kind of product you'll be purchasing on this step. So we'll be looking that into, we have such videos, so you can check out the multi-product type of a funnel. Then we'll be looking into the membership. So you can do membership type of funnels, which are basically, people again purchasing some kind of a product, which is a membership, and granting them access to content. That content can be anything. That can be files, that can be articles, that can be video tutorials and content that is like that. So only people who actually submit the payment get assigned to a membership, and yeah, you can do that type of a funnel as well. So these are some of the options that we will have, and look into how to build your sales funnels. They're super powerful, super awesome, and you can build all these things in a matter of minutes, like I just showed you in the example. But let's get into the system and show you a bit about the system itself, how it works, and some of the cool things about that you can do with the system. Just a quick overview. Now we're back inside the system, and there is, of course, on the top you'll see the main navigation. You're now inside the builder, and this is where you can actually start building your pages for the funnel, modifying them however you want. This is the button that will actually open your funnel, so that will probably the most used button. But basically, yeah, you can see here your steps and information about your funnel on the side. This is also where you can connect your domain to your funnel as well from the funnel settings. And if you want to preview your funnel, just click on the preview, and there you can see the actual funnel in action. When you click on order now, going to the next step, starting to submit the payment, and go through the steps of your funnel. Super simple, super easy, and everything is mobile responsive, looking amazing on mobile devices, so that your users have the best experience ever. So it's super simple to submit a payment and purchase a product. Then of course you have the store where you can build your product. So if you're doing sales funnels, like in this case, you'll be working a lot with it, because there you can see create your product, you can go and connect your payment processor, you can add your shipping and tax rules, so you can play around with it and see all these things really easy. In the contacts you can actually see all the information about people that have submitted your checkouts or submitted a form or whatever. So this is your CRM. It's free with every funnel that you build. So now when you click on a user, you can actually see information about it, like when is the last login, when they registered, what kind of tags they have. So here, for example, you can see that they have orders. In this case, we have 2 orders completed by this user, and we have 2 subscriptions as well from that user. So you can see all the information about all your users in one place, so you always keep track of your users this way. You can do appointments. This, I guess, you can actually, if you do a purchase, a sales funnel where a person actually pays for an appointment, you can have the appointments as well as part of the process, so they can book the appointment for you. So that's an option. But yeah, this is the main things about the platform, the builder, the e-commerce, the contacts where you can see all the users that have submitted your forms, and appointments. Of course, you have different here, like the ability to add different elements to your page by dragging and dropping. So everything in the system is drag and drop. You can adjust the position super easy, and it's the smoothest experience that you'll find in any builder on the planet. This is just so fun to build your pages. So you can see how easy it is. Adding new blocks, super simple, super easy. You can just play around and add whatever designs that you want to make it as appealing as possible in minutes. No coding whatsoever, and these are the fastest pages on the web that you'll find. Of course, you have other things such as global styling, changing the font super easy with a few clicks, adding new fonts, adding new color palettes. You have the ability to do so. We have a more detailed video that you can check about exactly the whole overview of the platform. And of course, here you have the funnel settings where you can add your social sharing, SEO information, trackings of codes. If you want to add your pixel, which is of course very important for sales funnels, you can just do it either from the custom code, or we have an application specifically for pixel, so you can just add your pixel ID here, and it will start tracking all your sales. So you can see when you're doing your Facebook ads how simple it is to track sales, conversions, and all these things easily. So the main connection also from here you can do. It's so easy and simple. Everything works perfect on all devices. So yeah, this is just a quick overview of the sales funnels. Such an amazing tool. This is the best way to sell online, to build your single product, multi-product, membership type of funnels. It's amazing. So check out the next videos on how easy it is. The next video is actually how to create your first products and your first one product sales funnels and the whole process itself. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and talk to you in the next one.